Hello, welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I bring for you Japanese barbecue chicken, Yakitori chicken. This is so good, so delicious, and very simple and easy to make it. Let's do it. So I'm going to prepare for the sauce. You need some spring onions, green onions. Top you cannot use, top you keep it in the side, and then 2-3 white part, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, then 120 ml soya sauce, 120 ml mirin, 60 ml sake, and 60 ml normal water. So bring to the boil. Then add the spring onion in full heat. After boil the sauce, you reduce the fire and leave it medium fire and cook continue, and reduce the sauce little bit of a glazed thickness to make perfect. So I'm going to continue to cook. Now this sauce is perfect. So off the fire. And strain. Just take it out the spring onion. So keep it in the cold. So second part is you need some chicken breast, or you can make also chicken leg, chicken thicks, boneless. Cut it long size. A little bit thin is better to the taste. So season with salt, sea salt I'm using specially. Some ginger. Ginger is so good for the sauce. Some sesame oil. Just give Thai massage. Just mix it well. Now you need spring onion white part. Cut it just like that. You can use also a little bit part of green crunch. So scuba the chicken, onions, again chicken, again onions, just like this. When you cut, just like this. When you cut the chicken slice, the more taste. So I apply the oil. I'm going to bake in the oven. So I don't have wood fire. After arrange this like this. So I made the sauce before. That sauce now you going to apply in the scuba. Apply must be everywhere, upside down. Yes, both side. Apply perfectly. So after apply the sauce, I put little bit of sesame seed on the top. And preheat the oven 260 about 20 minutes. So this is meat time. After 5-6 minutes you again apply the sauce with chicken, scuba, and finish it. So looks like this. I'm just check it out and amazing. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.